Aquí estamos hablando de algo nuevo que es conectar.
We're talking about something innovative here, connecting through our skin and our clothes with our space and habitat to improve our quality of life and comfort. The main challenge is to ensure none of the elements lose their identity or their purpose. Firstly, the item of clothing in itself, through its design. And secondly, it's important that the technology doesn't disrupt the design. So we get the end result we're looking for, which is to enhance our surroundings, our comfort. Every day technology brings us something new, and fashion is always seeking to stay connected, not only to customer needs, but also to what we can learn from the design of other technological processes. Ultimately, these processes provide elements that take us from something that was simply aimed at preserving our modesty or keeping us warm, to something that goes far beyond that and towards a connection to one another. If we can connect through our bodies with our clothes and our habitat, then what can't we connect with?
Initially, we spoke to Modesto to try and ensure the clothing and our design would meet the specifications and resolve the engineering issues involved. Our aim was to incorporate the technology in such a way that it would be practically imperceptible for the wearer, but would also solve the problem presented, which in this particular case was to gauge temperature. For us, what really matters is the data from the body. The way we see it is that the comfort we want to provide stems from an accurate measurement of this data. With that in mind, we measured two sets of body temperature data. First, the core temperature, the temperature of the torso, which is what shows if someone has a fever or hypothermia, for example, but we also measured the peripheral temperature. By analyzing these temperatures, we can tell if the person is cooling down or, on the contrary, is too warm. And that's where the concept of comfort comes into play. If the environment is too cold, the person will notice it and will record that data. We're really pleased with the outcome because we believe it's an attractive product. Another factor that pleases us about the end result is that we managed to make the technology virtually imperceptible, which was one of our goals, while effectively measuring the data we need.